I saw the coolest thing on Pinterest. And guess what I'm going to do in my kitchen with this? I am here at the first craft show of the season selling spices from our Dining on a Dime cookbook. Yes, we are selling them for a fundraiser for my son's homeschool co-op. I'm going to show you around some of the really cute things at this craft show. Okay, here we are at the tea booth. This is Tara's favorite. It's cute.
Okay, I guess I should tell you guys now.
Yeah, tell me now. Tell us both now.
Okay.
Okay, that's what I think now. We had to do that today.
So I'm so used to Wendy just doing everything. I have like checked out.
Oh,
But for everybody,
man, I wonder if that would work for Mike's brilliant idea.
so their name, they don't need their just name, maybe phone number. So here's one item. If they want a second item.
Okay, that is cute. Oh my goodness, I love that. This looks like it might be all herbal teas. Oh, and coffees. I think there are coffees. Love that teacup. Wow, that is a cool bench. Oh my goodness, I love that. Look at that chair. Oh my goodness, I love that chair. Wow. That is a cute little table too. I don't like the red, but I like the table shape. That's really pretty. Oh, look at that. That is pretty. Okay, pretty much any type water bottle you want. Wow. That's cute. That is super cute. Oh my goodness. $46. Okay guys, in case somebody wants to buy it, there you go. Alright, that's what I needed for the laundry show right there. And the laundry bag, the laundry sinks to go with it. Oh, I love that cart. And that plant stand. Oh my goodness, this guy has so much cute stuff. And I love this picture, but it's like $125, so it's kind of a lot out of my budget. But I love it. It's pretty cool. I'm getting this thing for end tables, I guess. Look at that one. It's cute too. So this I had thought about getting for my living room, but I think it's too small actually, and hang it in the peak long ways. I don't know, I'm gonna have to think about that. Wonder if he would come down on it. It's $30 as is. I wonder what's wrong with it. I love that watering can, but he wants $75 for that, so no way. Oh, and the hutch. Oh my goodness, look at that hutch. Wow, this guy has some cool stuff. That's cute. The stool belongs to me. It's handy as can be. I use it every day in almost every way. Aww.
Including quarters.
Oh, look at the gnomes. Okay. Gotta love the gnomes. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, that's too cute. Oh my goodness, look at this one. Oh, that's hilarious. That's funny. Good old macrame's coming back again. I actually like it. Ooh, I love this pillow. I absolutely love this pillow. I wonder how much she wants for it. I just love the fabric. And I love that. Thought about that for my living room. And I love that right there. Oh my goodness. And here's my new bumper sticker. I love that. Oh my goodness. I need to sell those. That is so pretty. Oh wow. There you go. Oh, that is cool.
Thank you. This is my first. I
Wow.
stupidly did this 3 parts. I poured the union and epoxy. As you can see behind, this is all reclaimed wood.
Yeah.
So I did that, and then I wanted to make it. So this is 1, 2, 3 parts. It's just being smart. I should have just done it all at
Whole
once.
thing. The whole
Yeah.
thing. Are you the guy on Upcycle that was saying you were doing epoxy stuff?
I probably one of them.
I was one of the. I don't know if you're the same one, but I emailed somebody asking about doing a barnwood table of epoxy. My grandparents have their homestead barn is still standing, and I got some wood from it, and I wanted to make a table out of it.
Oh,
but,
I'd love to try it.
Well, I changed my mind since
Oh.
I think I'm going to do a wall hanging instead, but
Yeah, I did these
isn't
small,
that me, Lois?
these small potter plants. I got a bigger one.
Oh, that's cute.
But I couldn't bring it in because I didn't have any room. But yeah, you know, this is kind of like a river table, so to speak.
Oh, yeah.
And I
Oh,
got
that's cool.
And it can be kind of illuminated. I didn't finish it because if somebody doesn't want it illuminated.
Oh, that's cool.
But yeah.
Oh, wow.
So yeah, there was an option there. I didn't want to totally. I mean, you
Yeah.
want illuminated, you want illuminated.
Oh, that's pretty nifty. Okay, what in the world is this?
It's a cookie cutter.
Isn't that cute?
I love it. I've not
is so
seen one
cool.
quite like that, but it is a cookie cutter.
I have
for
never
sure.
seen one like that, so what's this?
A
Some sort of
potato masher.
You think it's potato?
Probably. Oh no, it's not. It's a grater. It's a lemon grater. Feel it?
No way.
Yeah, it is.
It is!
It's exactly what it is.
Okay, guys, tell me if that's what the... Oh, or fingernail cleaner.
Ow.
Wait, here's another one.
Those are really cool.
Oh, what animal is that? Is that a wolf? It looks like a wolf.
I'd go with that. And a chick.
Bird?
Yep.
Chicken? Donut hole.
Biscuit cutter. Mm-hmm. The donut holes. We used to have one of those, only this part would come out. So you could either
Okay.
make a donut holes or...
I saw the coolest thing on Pinterest. Guess what I'm going to do in my kitchen with this? You'll never guess.
It's not.
Yes, it does. I still have one. It's for dried flowers.
Yes, partly,
And...
a towel holder on the bottom.
Oh,
Would that not be the coolest thing? I think I'm going to do that in my kitchen.
fun. I like it.
I have a really old one. I like old junk.
Old treasure. Oh, here's the
Grandma
door.
used to have those. Oh, yeah. Oh, here's a cranberry set. Yeah. We need a cranberry set. I'm sure, for Thanksgiving, don't we?
Yes, you do.
I'm sure Mike would say yes. Yes, Tom, we do.
They actually made something specifically for
Kinda
cranberries.
crazy, but you need it.
I know, that's what I was thinking. Oh, look at that little house.
People actually used to set
The table? What a concept.
Back
It
in
is
the day,
kinda
people used to sit and eat together
What a
without cell
concept.
phones.
Amen.
You just
I was so happy last night when my son's cell phone was dead. And then he went and got his charger. And then he went and got his charger. What is it? We were debating if we were supposed to wear them or not so that they knew.
Oh. And good old Pioneer Woman tablecloth. Here, do I need to get wedding ring number 6?
What are you going to do with number 5? Throw it too? Or did you already?
No, actually, number 5, I put in the drawer with some, what's it called? Hydrolylic acid or something. I don't know how you say it. And it ate the ring. And the acid was in a drawer. I mean, in a package, not open.
Oh, that's frightening.
Yeah.
What do you do with that kind of stuff? The acid.
It's you put it on your face, and some people take it, but it's like a exfoliator.
Wow.
But yeah.
It's gonna exfoliate that much.
Oh,
I'm thinking not.
look at all the little gnome dudes. Oh my goodness, how funny. Oh my goodness. I have no idea what I would do with those, but they're cute.
Are you a gnome girl?
Are you kidding me? I have like 100 of them. Look at all those pretty wreaths. Wow.
Welcome gnome.
Oh, look at the little bee. The little gnome beekeeper. Oh, that's cute. Oh my goodness. I love the lemons. Oh my goodness. That's too cute. There's a true Wyoming wreath. There you go. Wow. Okay, that is a lot of cupcakes.
I know.
Stuff too. You know what I should make is peanut brittle.
That caramel puffs is like dangerous.
What yummy? What is? I've never heard of caramel puffs.
Do you have change in here, Steph? Do you have change in it? I don't have it out yet. But do we need
What is it made of? Corn? Like corn pop or something?
I honestly don't even know.
Unless one of the So,
Oh, look at the potpourri. I love potpourri. Yum. Booth ever.
How you doing? Good, thank you.
Look at that big fluffy pillow. Wow, isn't that pretty? What she did with that cabinet, that is so cute.
So it's on the wall. The one I sent, the password is not correct. Okay. She didn't check her spell check or her spell thing when she sent it.
really cute things. Okay, I absolutely love these pillows. So I'm gonna have to make some. Find the panels. I don't know where you find the panels at, but we'll find the panels. I like what they did with that table. They're so cute. I love that planter box. That's actually not a bad deal. It's pretty recovered. They're just stapled on. That's cute. Ooh, I love that tablecloth. Well, that's cute. They took an old cabinet door, made it into a bench. That's cute. Okay, I need that one for the show. I need that one for the show. And I most definitely need that one for the show. Oh my goodness, that's too hilarious. Bookmarks. That is too funny. Look at all of those.
Now they gotta go in and they gotta do it again. Yeah.
Oh wow, that's super pretty.
Things are slower. Yeah. But she's got two
Those tablecloths.
Yes. Is it slower Christmas? Not for that, but it is for me. Okay.
That's cute.
After I got everything made. Yes.
I love the two tones. I love how they put the paper on there. That is so cute. You could just take scrapbook paper. Wow. The shutters.
That's perfect age. I love that age. It's so much fun.
Look at those. Those would be pretty in my living room. I don't know about the color, but I like it. It's really pretty. Holy cow, look at that dude. He is huge. Wow. Okay, that is pretty cool. Oh my goodness. All the animals are coming out now that it's springtime.